is my review for Final Fantasy VII Rebirth for the PS5. Really enjoying this game. I have not beat it yet, but I've played Remake. Now I'm playing Rebirth. If you have not played Remake, I would recommend you play that one first before you play this one. This is a direct sequel that starts right after the first one finished. So you kind of could play this one without the other one, but you're gonna just a lot of parts you're not gonna really get what's going on, the story. So either watch a video or something about the first one or play it. It's a remarkable experience, both games. So this one is super fun. It looks very much like the first one. They just improved the battle, the gameplay. The music is beautiful. The graphics are amazing. You can build your relationships with the characters. Unlike the first one, they're just like your party members and they just kind of go with you throughout the story. But this time you can interact with them more. You get like their relationship grows or goes down, depends on the choices you make with the character. This is the game, the game case itself. This is the back, and I will show you inside. So this is what it looks like. So this is like a little pre-order thing there. This is the data disc, so you have to install this one first. So this is not, you don't use this to play the game. You put this in, it installs, then you play with this disc. So this is just like to install the game basically, and then this is the one you would play with. So once you get the game, highly recommend just it's not going to start right away. This takes a little while, maybe, I don't know, depends on your internet. It takes a few minutes, maybe a little longer. So install this first, and then this is going to install a little bit also. So it's going to take a little bit of a process, so you won't be able to play like the moment you get it and you pop it in. So, I was excited. I'm like, I'm going to play, and then I have to install all this. I'm like, great, I got to wait a while. So just giving you that heads up. But overall, if you're a Final Fantasy VII fan from the old one, from the OG, you definitely want to check out this one. This expands the game. Of course, it looks different. It takes the old story to another level, so I don't want to give you any spoilers or anything, but it changes everything. Everything gets changed, so in a good way, in an interesting way. And there's still another game. I think they're going to make a third one, so they're going to continue it. So hope that was helpful, and hope you check it out.